In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add and use Google Keyboard on iPhone. First, you'll need to download this app. You can get this app easy from the App Store. Once you download this app, launch your settings. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Gboard and launch it. Now click on the option Keyboards. Toggle on for these options Gboard and allow full access. Now I can launch a Gboard app. Over here you're gonna find different option. You can add language like by change theme of your keyboard. Click on the option of stickers. You can add stickers. Click on the option keyboard settings. You can customize these options given over here for your keyboard. And once you are done, close this. Launch any of the messaging app. Now at the bottom left, you're gonna find this globe icon. Press and hold on it. Select the option Gboard. With this, your Google Keyboard will be enabled. And that's it. This is how you can easily add and use Google Keyboard. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.